Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start channel, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add a blog to your website. So as you can see, I've got blog here, and that's this page here. So to add a blog, what you'll need to do is go to settings, and then you'll need to add a subpage. So if you click on there and then just call this the blog, and then also if you wish you can click here and then add the page. Now when you've done that, you just go back. So this is the blog page. Now what it'll have is a header up here, and then what you'll need to do is click on the content block. So let's say I clicked on that, and then if we scroll right down to the very bottom, go to apps, and this is the blog app. So if you click on that, it will then add it like this. So then when that's done, if you go here to blog, and you can manage the module and you can add a new page. So if you go to manage the module, and if you go to your settings, you'll be able to either set it out as a list or grid. You can choose how many blog posts on per page. You can have it below the post showing the navigation. You can sort the orders, display date, and then you can also do the comments here as well. So when you've done all that, save changes. So if I just come out of that, and if we go back to the blog and then go to new post, and then you can add your post. So you can add an image there. You've got your post title, your subtitle, and then you can add whatever you want just here. You can save a draft or you can publish it. So when it's published, so if we go back to the blog again, and then when it's published, you will see it here, and then you'll be able to click on it, and then this is where your image is, and like I say, it's set out to what you want. So let's say, for example, when you're doing your blog, if you click here, you will see that you can click to tune, or you can click on here, the plus sign, and then you can add more text. You can add an header. So if you want to make that an header, you can change that. You can add images, list, table, alerts, code, and raw HTML. So as for example, this, I've added a video, and that was an actual raw HTML code. So it puts the block up there, and then you paste the code, but I'll do other videos on that. And then, like I say, when you're happy, you can either save a draft or you can publish it. And when you've done all that, like I say, that's how you actually set up your blog. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.